I've had a little bit of, I've had some students express that they weren't sure which topics they were supposed to be working on, or they were saying, hey, I was finishing topics and it wasn't telling me that I was getting anything done. So I'm going to quickly show you the difference between prerequisite topics and this idea of 10 topics left and how we get those done. So when I click to continue my path or work ahead, and I click on this right here, what it's going to bring up is it's going to bring up a list. We can see that these starred ones, these are our goal topics. So these are the topics that we are in fact going to need to be finishing to achieve our topics. Now, one issue with this is you can see that this one is locked, and to be able to get to this topic, I have to finish this prerequisite topic, which is writing a quadratic function given its zeros. So I would need to go into this topic related to writing a quadratic function given its zeros, read through it, make sure I understand what I'm doing here, start, and then I would need to achieve mastery of this before I could open up those other locked topics. So when we're talking about topics you need to complete those goal topics. But sometimes you're going to have to complete other prerequisite topics to be able to open up those goal topics. Again, I can understand that this can be a little bit confusing, but again, you're aiming for those goal topics. You can go work on those prerequisites that require you to get into the goal topics. And if you have any questions ever, you're welcome to shoot me an email or stop by my office hours, and I'd be happy to go over this with you.